Good afternoon. I'm here at the Khlong Toey MRT station, exit number 2. And the reason that I'm here is because I'm on my way to the MEA to pay my electricity bill. I passed this building many times, and I'm always saying if you don't pay your electricity bill on time, you have to come here. So as you know, I have a real estate company, and one of our owners hasn't been renting out his apartment for quite a while, and now he informed me and he said, okay, the electricity bill hasn't been paid, so I am now on my way to the office to get the bill paid. And it's super easy. The office opens every day until 3:30. It's 12 o'clock. With Bangkok Expats, I've been making a lot of videos about all the streets in Sukhumvit, and that's gonna end soon. And I'm just trying to make a couple of videos that will help expats and tourists in Bangkok. So one of them is how to pay the electricity bill here. This is a nice building. They started building it in 2013, and it was built to replace the head office that was burned down during the protests of the red shirt in 2013. The building has 30 floors. Not sure how high it is. I've been here a couple of times and it's super easy. They will just scan it and then you can pay. It was super easy. It is 12 o'clock now, and they told me that the electricity will be working again at 4. So yeah, so in case that you did not pay your electricity on time, don't worry. Even if they shut down the electricity, you can come here. It's easy to get here. It's exit number 2 on the Khlong Toey MRT station. This nice futuristic building. You can just come and pay here. I hope you enjoyed this update regarding paying your electricity bill here in Bangkok. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.